In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6032, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that the worst people on the Day of Judgment are those who are avoided because of their evil behavior. This is the one who possesses bad character, especially towards people. They negatively affect others through their speech, such as using vulgar language, and harm them through their actions, such as physical violence and intimidation. As good character will be the heaviest thing in the scales of Judgment Day, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2003, one can judge how significant bad character will be. Evil behavior completely contradicts the characteristic of a true Muslim and believer, according to a narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 4998. It advises that a true Muslim and believer keeps their verbal and physical harm away from the self and possessions of others. A Muslim should understand the importance of fulfilling both aspects of faith. The first is to show good character towards Allah, the Exalted, by sincerely fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will ensure they use every blessing they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This in turn leads to peace and success in both worlds. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
The other aspect of faith is to show good character to others by practically loving for others what one loves for themselves. This is a characteristic of a true believer, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2515. This undoubtedly includes treating others kindly, just like one would like people to treat them with kindness and respect. Finally, a Muslim must always avoid wronging others through their speech or actions. Justice will be established on Judgment Day, whereby an oppressor will be forced to hand over their good deeds to their victims, and if necessary, the oppressor will be given the sins of their victims. This may cause the oppressor to be hurled into hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. This makes it clear that evil behavior leads to loneliness in this world, as no decent person desires to befriend such an evil person, and it leads to trouble and stress in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.